Yeah. Bruh. Boom. 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 We got this. Boom. 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 I don't know if you vote for this map or it just appears randomly. Or locked in shittle. It's like the good old days in MMX. Nobody even knows what that game is now, but like back in my day, it used to be pretty hip, pretty cool, pretty trendy. I know that this gets 30 boxes. I did the calculations, trust. But you know, I don't know if it's gonna show up. You know what I want. You know what everybody wants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Waste of my time.
Bro really won by just opening up boxes the whole time.
Yeah, and I didn't get a single I didn't get a single godly. Can you believe this?
Yeah, and you didn't even help me. Your teammate was struggling.
I said a table for 3.
She's like the chicken too.
I don't care about your like for chicken. Los pollos hermanos. Trembling. I'm trembling. Yummy quivering. La 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 la, lo 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 lo, la 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 la, lo 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 lo.
You just lied. You don't know damage. She lied.
She lied. I got the legendary, but I need more. Stop giving me freaking peppermint and snowball.
Wait, you got it again? What was the legendary?
It's frozen. That's the one that you salvaged and turned into the lights. Oops. Okay, last box. Oh, I have no keys, no boxes. Bruh. Why are they gonna give me the godly when I gotta go to Jug's house? Only his luck can save me now. I did end up getting the godly, but I was on my phone, so that's why the recording and audio for this part sounds so doo-doo butter. We just unboxed Ice Dagger, you know, some light, some light. I'll finish off these keys and then I'll show it off so you can get another one to give to the wife. Bought like 20 bucks worth of keys since I'm so rich. I just have so much money. I didn't get no chroma or nothing, but you know, I don't even know if that exists yet, so it is what it is, what it is, what it isn't. Oh, I'm dead. I'm gonna glitch my game. Oh, there I saw it again. I spectated on accident. Oops.
You gotta get it twice so we can both have it.
I know, right? I'll see you at the end of it. I think I ran out. Okay. That was so much. I think I only got one, though. I could go all the way back down to it. Oh, yeah, I only got one. Shoot. I can't even see with the bag in the way. But you can look at my inventory and see what that's what it looks like. Okay. This game mode's buns.